So by now you should have completed the warm-up up to this point. So you should all have this written down, at least somewhere in your notes. Now let's go ahead and evaluate this limit. Well, this is the limit as t approaches infinity of the integral from 1 to t of x to the negative 2 power dx. And I'll go ahead and scooch that over here. Well, let's go ahead and ignore this outer limit first and just on this integral. So since we're ignoring that limit, I'm going to just rewrite it. And then what is the antiderivative here? Well, this will be negative x to the negative 1 power. And then we need to evaluate this from 1 to t. So we have the limit as t approaches infinity of negative 1 over t minus a negative 1 over 1. So this is the limit as t approaches infinity of negative 1 over t plus 1. Well, as t approaches infinity, we know that negative 1 over t will approach 0. So this entire limit is just equal to 1. Well, what have we just done? Well, remember, at the very beginning of the warm-up on Canvas, before you had any of this written down, we were just looking to evaluate this integral. Well, using the work above, you realize that this actually equals 1. So we have, and remember the sketch was like this, at least on the left hand, or excuse me, on the right-hand side of the y-axis. And so what we have is if this is here is 1. This area under this curve going out to infinity is 1. So we have this infinite interval of integration that gives us a finite value. When that occurs, we say this improper integral converges.